All right, so let's start with the review. The entire test just says factor. So first thing I need to do is look to see if they have something the same. Now, most of the times what I've said is if they both have an x and they have something the same. But actually in this case, there's a number that divides into 33 that also divides into 55. So let me show my work. And that's 11 times 3, x. 11 times 5, 11, 11, whoosh it over, 3x plus 5. Then what you're going to do is you're going to zoom back out, and you're going to come over here, and you're going to write the answer. Make sure you transfer the answer from here to here. Okay? Let's go back to this one. So this is they have something the same. This is also one that they have something the same. Okay? So 14x cubed is 7 times 2, x, x, x. 7 times 9, x, x. Negative 7 times 1, x. Circle the 7s. Circle the x's. Okay, and come over here, transfer the answer. Okay. Show you that answer there. Okay, let's go to number 3. This is they have nothing the same. Do my 2 by. All the ways to get 12. But I'm trying to get 7. The magic will be the 3 and the 4. Since there's no number in front, boom, I can go straight to the answer. I'm good to go. Do my 2 by, first guy, last guy, all the ways to get 27. My goal is to get negative 12. Since that's positive, they're both negative. There isn't a number in front. I go straight to the answer. Okay, let's move up to here. Do my box. First guy, last guy, circle it. 1, 16, 2, 8, 4, 4. I'm trying to get 8. That's 4 and 4. Since that's positive, they're both negative. Now here's the deal. If you go x minus 4, that's wrong. I'm looking for x minus 4 squared. So be careful of that. First guy, last guy. Now remember, when there's no center, you square root. The square root of 25 is 5. No number in front, I go straight to the answer. That's a y, so make sure you write y plus 5, y minus 5. Now I have to say, since I see a number in front, I know that I'm going to have to do the whole box for both of these. So I'm going to do my box. First guy, last guy, 1, 15, 3, 5. I'm trying to get negative 2, so this is the one that works. Since this is negative, the bigger guy's negative, positive. I like to match the 3 with the 3. So 3n, n plus 1. 1 times what gives me negative 5? Negative 5. So now I'm going to come over here and transfer my answer. It doesn't matter what comes first. I'm good to go. This is the exact same problem as this one. Do my 2 by. First guy, last guy. List all the ways. My goal is to get 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Since this is negative, the bigger guy is negative, positive. I'm going to put the negative 8x here because I feel like it. Break it down. 4 times 1, x. Negative 4 times 2x, 4, x, 4x, whoosh. I'm left with an x minus 2. 2 times what gives me 10? And that's positive 5. So now I come over here and write the answer. 4x plus 5, x minus 2. All right, that's the first page. Let's go to the second page. First guy, last guy. First guy, last guy. Middle guy is negative 6. That's 3 and 3. Since that's positive, they're both negative. There's a number in front. I got to do the whole box. 3, m, negative 3 times 1m. 3, and 3m, 3m whoosh, 3m minus 1. A negative times a negative is a positive. Those are the exact, same. So I don't write it like that. I go 3m minus 1 squared. First guy, last guy. First guy, last guy, multiply. Now, I don't know about you, but 16 times 25 seems like a big number. So I'm going to go 16 times 25, and I get 400. But there's nothing in the center. If there's nothing in the center, I square root. Remember how to do the square root. Second squared, and then 400, and that's 20. So I have positive 20 and negative 20. I'll put the positive here and the negative there. If I'm going to break this down, don't pick a 2. 4 is bigger. 4, 4, P, P, 4, 5, P, 4, 4, P, P, 4, P, whoosh. 4p plus 5. 5 times negative 5 equals negative 25. They're not the same, so just write it out. They're close, but they're not the same. All right? Let's go to this one. They all have an x. We're going to be doing a 1 by. 2 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 2 times 5, 1, 2, 3. Negative 2 times, if you don't know what it is, you're going to go like this. 48 divided by 2 is 24. And then x. I have 2 x's, 2 x's, 2 x's, a 2, a 2, and a 2. So whoosh that over. I'm left with 1. You know I don't want to put it. 3 x's. Negative 5x, that's a common mistake. And then negative 24. Okay. Come over here. Transfer it over. Make sure you transfer it over correctly. Okay. Next one, they both have x's and y's. They have something the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Keep them spread out enough that you can read it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how I'm taking up space. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I took out 4 x's and 3 y's, and then I'm left with 3 x's and 2 y's. So my answer is x to the 4th, y cubed, parentheses, x cubed plus y squared. Number 13, they don't have anything the same. Do my 2 by. So my numbers are 4 and 4. That's negative. They're both negative. Negative 4x, negative 4x. 4, 4x, negative 4 times 1x. This is all just a repeat, honestly, but I just want to make sure you're good to go. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. These are the exact same thing. Write it squared. Next one, they don't have anything the same. Do my box. My numbers are 2 and 4. 2 is bigger and it's negative, so the bigger guy's negative, the smaller guy's positive. There's no number in front. Boom, I can go straight to the answer. X plus 2, x minus 4. Let's go to this one. First guy, last guy. Multiply. If you don't know what it is, pick up your calculator. And remember, there's nothing in the center. Since there's nothing in the center, square root it. Pick up your calculator. I'll show you in the calculator. Second squared of 4,900, and that's 70. I know this one's a hard one, but the number that goes into both of them is 7. X, 7 times 10, x, 7, 7x whoosh. You're left with a 7x plus 10, and then 10 times negative 10 is 100. They are not exactly the same, so I'm going to write it out. That's kind of messy. Sorry, that's minus 10. Okay. Last one on the page. Do my box. First guy, last guy, multiply. 7 times 8 is 56. So 156, 228. So if you don't know, because this one's a hard one, so I'm going to go 56 divided by 2. 2 times 28. Clear. 56 divided by 3. Doesn't work. It's the remainder. 56 divided by 4. 14. So I have 4 and 14. What am I trying to get to? 10. Ooh, I just got it. So I'm trying to get to 10. This will get me 10. Since that guy's positive, the bigger guy's positive, that one's negative. 14x, negative 4x, 7xx, 7 times 2x, x7, x7, 7x hoosh. Bring up the x, bring up the plus 2. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Not even close to being the same. It doesn't matter which one I put first. And I'm good to go. Let me write that there. Now for these last 4, you're going to have multiple choice. They're going to be on the back. And when you're done, you'll put the answer on the front. So number 17, do my box. First guy, last guy. Boom. Since that's positive, but that's negative, they're both negative. There's no number in front, so I can go straight to the answer. If you notice, they don't want the whole answer. They just want to know part of it, and that's that one. This one. Multiply. 25 times 16 is 50 times 8, 400. Nothing in the center. Square root 20 and negative 20. So 20x and negative 20x. 5 goes into both of those. 5x, 5x, 5x hoosh. Bring up the 5x, the plus 4. Then positive 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. So 5x plus 4, 5x minus 4, C. Let's do the next one. Do your box. One 100, 2 50, 10 5, 10. Sorry, not 10 5, 10 10. And if you look, I'm trying to get 20. So that's my 10 and my 10. 10t, 10t. 5 goes into both of those. 5t, 5t, 5t hoosh. Bring up the 5t. Bring up the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Since they are the exact same answer, boom, that's squared. Letter C. Okay, this one I'm going to make bonus. And what I'm going to want you to do is fill out the box. And by that, I mean there's got to be something on the outside, and there's inside's got to be filled in completely. So here's what you're going to do. If you see this is an x squared, that's an x and an x. And that would be a 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So the 4x goes right there. And you've completed your box. Study.